Everybody, let me put the music a little bit up. I have Taylor Swift's album playing. So, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Padri. Today I'm going to show you a cool strategy so you can feel like you have more control on the brakes and everything happening down there. Check this out. Instead of doing this, that you're moving the whole, oh my glasses just fell. Instead of doing this, that you're moving the whole feet, you can do something like this. You can press over here, right? And then you can do like this. Brake. I think it's more comfy if you do it like this. Right now, as you can see, I have the wheels in the other position, so I'm just trying to fix it up over there. I actually parked the car and the wheels were like over on the other side. So I'm like, let me leave it like this. And like I'm always saying, get in your car even if you're not gonna go out just now. Just so you can get used to the sensation of being inside. You know, because that's something that I have a lot of problems with. You know, feeling one with the car and feeling confident enough to like go for it. You know, you have to be very daring, but also very, you have to also use your imagination, because when you're on the road, the people around you, they're not always gonna be driving excellent, you know, so you have to take care of yourself and also the life of others around you, and if you have somebody else with you. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick tip. If you want to see anything else,